In a sunlit living room, a silky tabby plots a daring curtain siege while a bulldog guards snacks. The cat pounces on a dangling feather, inexplicably triggering a chorus of cartoonish yips from the dog. They improvise a goofy ballet, paws slipping on a rug, tails conducting a rhythm they barely understand. A tumble, a bounce, and suddenly they've formed an oddball alley cat, puppy duo delivering a laughable rescue of a squeaky toy. The audience, two humans and a plush audience, roars as mischief ends with shared nap time and a truce over treats.